Something massive is happening behind closed doors at Apple Park. And if you are planning to buy any iPad right now, you need to stop what you are doing immediately. For years, Apple has treated its smallest tablet like an afterthought, leaving it with outdated displays, standard designs, and just enough power to get by. But leaked internal documents and supply chain shifts prove that the upcoming iPad mini 8 is about to destroy the entire tablet market, rendering almost every other device completely obsolete. We are talking about a total engineering overhaul that brings features even the most expensive iPad Pro models cannot match. If you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are dangerously mistaken. Think about the last time you used a compact device that actually felt premium. Most small tablets on the market feel like cheap toys, meant for basic reading or throwing into a child's backpack. Apple changed the game with the redesign many years ago, but then they let it sit. They gave us minor updates, incremental processor steps, and ignored the biggest complaints from actual power users. The community begged for pro-level features in a pocketable footprint, but the tech giant kept silent. Until now, what Apple is building for the iPad mini 8 is not just a tablet. It is a declaration of war on bulky laptops and oversized smartphones. Let us address the single biggest flaw that has plagued the compact iPad lineup for generations. You know exactly what it is if you have ever scrolled through a web page or read an article on a mini. The dreaded phenomenon known as jelly scrolling, where one side of the screen updates slower than the other, creating a nauseating visual lag. It was an engineering compromise that left thousands of buyers furious, feeling like they paid premium prices for a subpar display. Apple tried to fix it with software tweaks and minor controller layout changes in the previous generation. But the fundamental limitation of LCD technology meant the root cause was never truly gone. The iPad mini 8 changes everything by abandoning legacy screen tech entirely. Internal supply chain orders confirm that Apple has secured massive contracts for custom-engineered organic light-emitting diode displays, or OLED, specifically tailored for this compact chassis. This is not just about deeper blacks or richer contrast ratios. Switching to an OLED panel means every single pixel is self-illuminating. When a pixel needs to show black, it turns off completely. The contrast becomes infinite. But more importantly, the pixel response time drops to absolute zero. The visual lag that destroyed the reading and browsing experience on previous models is dead. Imagine holding a screen where text looks as sharp and static as real ink on paper, yet moves with fluid precision. The rumors go even deeper, suggesting Apple might finally bridge the gap and bring promotion technology to the mini lineup. For years, the tech giant restricted high refresh rates to its absolute top-tier devices, forcing compact users to suffer through standard 60 Hz refresh rates. If the leaks regarding a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz hold true, the iPad mini 8 will become the ultimate portable media and gaming machine on the planet. Navigating the interface, sketching with a stylus, and gaming will feel like butter. But a beautiful screen is useless without the muscle to drive it. And what Apple is putting under the hood of this compact beast is nothing short of terrifying for the competition. Early developer code discovered deep within iOS builds revealed